Are you struggling with Binance verification issues? Is your account stuck and you're unsure what to do next? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the best solution to fix your Binance verification failure quickly and efficiently. Verification failures on Binance can happen for various reasons: mismatched information, blurry ID uploads, or even minor errors in your documentation. But don't panic, this is fixable. Here are the common reasons for verification failure. 1. Incorrect or incomplete personal information. 2. Blurry or expired ID documents. 3. Mismatch between your ID and selfie. 4. Restricted country or region. Before proceeding, make sure to double-check these points. Now, let's fix this step by step. 1. Review personal information. Log into your Binance account and click on Verify. Ensure your full name, date of birth, and address match your ID exactly. 2. Upload clear, valid documents. Use a high-quality camera or scanner to upload your ID. Ensure the image is clear, with no glare or shadows. Acceptable IDs include passports, driver's licenses, or national ID cards. 3. Perfect your selfie. When asked to take a selfie, ensure good lighting and follow Binance on-screen instructions. Remove any hats or glasses. 4. Check your region. If you're in a restricted country, you may need to verify using alternative methods or contact Binance support. Once everything is ready, resubmit your verification request. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours for Binance to process. If your issue persists, contact Binance support directly. Visit the support center on Binance or use the live chat option for quicker assistance. Be ready to provide your account details and screenshots of the error. Verification issues can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you'll have your account verified in no time. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. See you in the next video. Fix your Binance issues the smart way. Subscribe for more practical guides.